Nervous system. The nervous system is about action and senses. It consists of the brain, spinal cord, an enormous network of nerves that thread throughout your body. The brain. The brain is the most complex control center of your body. It is a soft, spongy organ in your head. It allows you to think, learn, solve problems, move, and many other things. It controls all your actions, feelings, and thoughts through a network of nerves. The brain is protected by the skull. An adult human brain weighs about 1300 to 1400 grams. Cerebrum is the top, largest part of the brain that has a large number of ridges. It controls the working of all our sense organs and is also the seat of memory, intelligence, and emotions. Cerebellum controls and coordinates movements of the muscles. Medulla, brainstem, connects the brain with the spinal cord. It controls all our involuntary actions, breathing, heartbeat, digestion, etc. Nerves. Nerve cells join together to make long threads called nerves. Nerves carry signals between the brain and the body. There are two main types of nerves, sensory and motor, and a third type, mixed. Sensory nerves send information from your sense organs to the brain. Motor nerves carry signals from your brain to muscles telling them to move. Mixed nerves carry messages and orders from organ to brain as well as back the message from brain to that organ. Reflex action. Sometimes your body reacts instantly to save you from danger. Reflex actions are rapid, automatic movements that happen immediately without thinking. A reflex action jerks your finger away if you touch a cactus plant or something very hot. The sensory nerve in your fingers sends a signal towards your brain. When this message reaches the spinal cord, it immediately sends a signal back to move your hand away. Sometimes a very quick response is needed, one that does not need the involvement of the brain. This is a reflex action. Another example is blinking when something flies towards your eyes. Sense organs. What's that dirty smell? Do you hear that bird chirping? Taste this pudding. Look at me. Feel this. Isn't it hard? All this is because of our senses. Without us even knowing, our sense organs, nose, eyes, ears, tongue, and skin are taking information and sending it to the brain for processing. Structure of eye. In the front is a circular transparent part called cornea. The colored part is the iris. In the center is a hole called pupil. It controls how much light enters by expanding or shrinking. In dim light, the pupil gets bigger to let more light in, and in bright light, it gets smaller. Light passes through the lens. Optic nerve is a sensory nerve that connects the eye to brain. Ears. They pick up all sorts of sounds. The outer ear, called pinna, receives sound waves and sends them to the inner ear. Ears also help us to keep our balance. Nose. The small hairs inside our nose filter the dust particles entering our breathing system. The sense of smell and taste are closely linked to each other. Tongue. It has taste buds that respond to the tastes of sour, sweet, bitter, and salty. Skin. It forms a protective covering over the entire body. All over the skin are sensors that are joined to a nerve. You feel the sensation of touch, pain, heat, etc. when your skin touches something cold or hot, hard or soft. The small pores on the skin allow waste and sweat to come out of the body. We should take care of our sense organs. Physically challenged. Understand about physically challenged and Braille system. Anyone who has a physical or mental problem who cannot function as a normal person and depends on the help of others is the one with special needs. Such persons are known as physically challenged. They need special care and attention. Have you heard of the Braille system? The blind can read using their hands. Louis Braille is well known for his Braille system for the blind. He invented a simple system, dot system, of letters. This system made possible for the blind people to read by moving their fingers over raised dots. There are different dot patterns for different letters, punctuations, and numbers.